Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we're in my office and we're working on stage 2 or phase 2 of our office. Now we've done our back wall and we put in some pieces of furniture such as this as temporary to figure out exactly how we wanted to modify our office. And we've come up with some industrial pieces that we're going to finish up and we're going to install in here. So this piece was used at our old house to hold dishes and things like that. We're actually going to remove this piece, put in a couple industrial pieces, put some shelves in between them, and that's what we're going to work on today, is building the shelves for that, and then we'll see it all installed in here. So follow along as we start the process by creating some shelves in here. Well, and maybe removing all this stuff too. Alright, so we have our 4x8 plywood, and we're going to make 3 shelves out of 2 of these, so we're going to have some leftover. Each of these sides is going to be 8 feet long to start with, and we're going to do 23 inches. So we've got a little piece in the middle, but that's alright. We'll have a nice smooth edge. I've got my circular saw ready. I've already got my lines drawn, so let's put some safety gear on and let's get to work. Alright, it can't be one of my projects without sanding, so I've got my pieces that I'm going to screw into the side for the shelves to sit on ready. We're just going to sand them down, get rid of some of the markings and stuff, and get them ready to be stained. So, let's begin. Alright, so we're going to use our early American stain, and the supervisors will not be helping. So we're just going to do it all over the pieces, and we'll get rocking and rolling. So let's begin. So we removed the big shelving unit. Now we've put in 2 of our industrial pieces. It has multiple drawers, and what we're going to do is add our shelves in here. So we're going to build our trays. That way we can just sit the shelves on top of it. So we'll start on that next. Shelves in, we've got our drawers and our industrial pieces in, we've even got it decorated. This side is completed. Now I'm going to take you around. I'm going to show you where these pieces used to be and the piece that we put in instead. Alright, so we added this boy to this corner. Nice metal industrial piece, all the wood, and even the sides are wood, so it gives it a nice look. Now all we have left in this room to do is tile and put our mop boards up, but we'll be doing that at a later point. So overall this room is now complete. If you like this project and many of our others, keep watching, subscribe. We always like people that hit the subscribe button and like our videos. Until our next project, we'll see you around.